I'm part of the freedom activist movement, so just hear me out, man.
Roll another. Yeah. Oh, la da 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 da. La da da. La da da da. La da da da. La da da da.
Okay. Yeah, just come on in.
Yeah, thanks, man.
I didn't invite you.
It's okay, man. We're all brothers and sisters here, man.
No, we're not. No.
Yeah, we are, man.
So, freedom activists, huh?
Yeah, man. Freedom activists. Just hear me out, man.
I'm hearing you.
It's a freedom activist movement.
Okay.
It's a really nice hallway. It's just a freedom activist movement, man.
Thank you.
For
Freedom activists.
freedom, man.
Freedom activists for freedom. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's a movement for freedom, man.
Alright, well, you interrupted my Sex and the City marathon, so get the point.
Dude, just hear me out, man.
Okay.
Just hear me out.
Alright.
The freedom activist movement deals with moving our freedom into other people's lives, man.
Don't touch me.
We're all brothers and sisters.
That's
man.
cool and all, but you reek.
It's okay, man.
It's not.
It really is, man.
It's a very distinct smell.
It's okay, man.
Okay.
Just hear me out.
I'm hearing you.
Guns
Okay.
don't kill people.
Alright.
Wait, no, I said that wrong, man. Just hold on. Just hear me out, man.
Yeah.
People
Alright.
kill people.
Okay.
Wait.
I think you're onto something there. You confused?
Whoa, man. No, guns kill people. I was right.
Okay.
I was right the first time. Gun kills people, man.
Alright, yeah.
So just hear me out, man.
I've been hearing you.
Guns kill people,
Okay.
so we need to take away all the weapons
Alright.
of people, and that means our hands, too, man. Hands and feet are just evil beings.
People bite each
And our
other,
great
take away our teeth.
Yeah, man.
How do we
Everyone
eat?
could drink smoothies, man, from Starbucks.
How are we gonna make smoothies if we don't have hands?
Our fucking minds, man. Whenever we
Cannot
lose all of
control
our
things.
senses, our minds get so much bigger.
I don't think that's
Especially
factual.
with the freedom. Just hear me
You're
out,
making
man.
half of this
Just
stuff
hear
up.
me out, man. With the freedom activist movement
Yeah.
and no limbs, our minds just get bigger, so we can just telepathically
Yeah.
move things like bananas around.
Wait.
Wait, just hear
Wait,
me out.
wait,
man.
wait.
What?
Did you just say bandana? It's
No,
bandana.
I said banana.
Ban? Say ban.
Bad.
Dana.
Banana.
What would you classify the group called Aerosmith? What would you classify that as?
A band, man. They're the fucking best shit ever, man.
So they're a band.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
a
now
band.
put the band in front of Anna. Bandana.
Banana, man. Just hear me out, man. Guns kill people, so we need to take everyone's hands and feet away from them.
Yeah,
And their teeth, because everyone loves smoothies, man.
I'm sure.
Everyone loves smoothies.
What if you're lactose intolerant?
It doesn't have to have fucking milk in it, man.
Alright.
Just hear me out, man. Just hear me
I
out.
apologize.
Just hear me out.
Yeah.
Man. Everything is a weapon, so we need to take everything away. Do you know how they have sex in those utopias where they don't have anything wrong?
Wait, okay.
That's where they get nugget porn from, man. It's the
Nugget
best
porn?
shit ever.
Did you say nugget porn?
Bananas are just great to wear too.
What does this have to do with the freedom
And
activist group?
I already told you, man. Whoa, man, hold on.
What?
The freedom activist. Just hear me out, man.
How many drugs are you on?
The freedom activist movement helps you with your telepathic control.
What?
So you can move your bananas, so you can tie them on just right.
Okay.
So just hear me out, man.
Alright.
Bone structure
What?
is fucking crazy. It's made up of these tiny little pieces of you that make into bigger pieces of you that make big you.
To be honest, that was probably the most logical thing you've said so far.
What? Just hear me out, man. The freedom activist movement
Yeah.
is like if you put a shoe on
Yeah.
your head.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
just hear me out,
I'm
man.
hearing you, dude. Don't worry.
What are you doing, man?
Setting a timer.
For what,
You
man?
got 30 seconds to get to the point, or you're getting the fuck out.
Just hear me out, man.
Yeah.
Just hear me out.
All right. 25 seconds.
Was that a fucking bird, man?
Think it was your phone.
What phone, man?
All right. Anyways, get to the point.
Oh, I have like 15 seconds.
You're 15 seconds. What is
Okay, just hear me out, man.
that? What is
Just
that?
hear me out, man.
What kind of paper is that?
Man, just hear me out. So I just got I just got to get my mind thinking a little stronger,
That
man.
is a
I poured a
lot.
little bit too much, man.
That,
I just got
you
to
think that's oregano?
I just got to get my mind thinking a little stronger, man. That's how people, freedom activists,
You can't
work.
smoke that in
Movement.
here.
Smoke what, man? Strength? Just hear me out, man.
Roll another. Yeah. Oh,
La da 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 da. La da